Good afternoon, student. Today we will read the new chapter, that is resources. Our Earth is a unique planet which has opportunities for survival and sustenance of life. Our natural environment is a vast storehouse, innumerable usable substance. We need this thing to fulfill our basic needs as well as to satisfy our life for a better living. So we can say here like the forest, the soil and the mines are providing usable substance. Hence these usable substances are resources. The utility of the substance provide them worth or value and they become resources. They may or may not have economic value, but as long as they satisfy our wants, they are resources. So you can write the main point here that our natural resources, you can write here like you can write the point like our natural resources, our natural environment is a vast storehouse of innumerable usable substances. We need this things to fulfill our basic needs. And you can give the example here also like the forest, the soil, and the mines are providing usable substances. These are resources. Hence these are resources. Usable are resources. So now we can say here that the natural substances that have utility and functionality, that is the capacity to fulfill human needs, are termed as resources. Resources are those material which are made available and usable by the technology present with the objective of satisfying human wants. You can give the examples also like the coal is only a piece of rock until power is generated from it or byproduct are produced. So you can give the example also. First you see the definitions that I have said now that the natural substances that have utility the natural substances that have utility and functionality that is the capacity to fulfill human needs are termed as resources. You can also give one example here, like the I am save you like the call. For example, call is only pieces of rock until power is generated from it or by product are produced. So this is about the resources. In the next video, I will explain you about the classification of the resources. In the previous video, I have said to learn some question. Today also I am giving some question that you have to learn it. You can see here that why the British introduced a special kind of mapping. The country had to be properly known before it could be effectively administered. So the British introduced a special kind of mapping. Means at that time why the British weren't mapping, because for doing the administrate in our country, they have to for us know the places. So they had make a special kind of mapping. Our next question is, why did the British preserve official document? In the previous video I have explained you about official document. You can write here like the British preserve official document because they believe that every instruction, plan, policy, decision, agreement and investigation had to be properly written. This recording was considered very important, and so they were emerged administrative culture of preparing document for internal communication, noting and the report. And I have said you that they had met for there is the record room in where they had preserve all these documents, and they undertake survey and mapping on a large scale because they believe that survey and mapping would enable them to effectively administer the country and know the people better. So these are the two questions that you have to learn it. Thank you, class.